Dear advocate, brother and sisters, as we all know that due to lockdown, we are facing huge financial crunch. We have been neglected to an extent that we are not provided any sort of pensions, any sort of monthly remunerations, or any sort of allowances for our survivals, and we are left to be self-reliant on our own. Moreover, that the Advocates Act do not permit us to advertise, solicit clients, or in any way uh, reach to a client, potential client who actually is in need of an advocate or a legal service provider. This video basically is touching upon some important point and the legal provision wherein we advocates can take the benefit of certain provisions and policies of law where I think most of us are not registered. Recently, we have been hearing the learned finance minister talking about MSME. Now, what is this MSME is? First M stands for micro, second S stands for small, third M stands for medium, and E is for enterprise. So, we have a MSME Act of 2006 in our country, which deals with micro, small, and medium enterprises. And to the excitement of our lawyers, brothers and sisters, legal service providers are also included in it. The definition clause, section 2E of the MSME Act 2006 tells what is an enterprise. Now, this enterprise is industrial undertaking, business concerns, any other establishment. Now, the word any other establishment includes legal service providers for rendering of the services. So, any other establishment rendering services is an enterprise as per section 2E of the MSME Act 2006. Right. So, what we have to do for getting ourselves registered with the MSME? There is a website called www.msme.gov.in wherein you can log in. Once you go in there, in the bottom of the page, there is Udyog Aadhaar registration. That is Udyog Aadhaar registration. Once you go in for a Udyog Aadhaar registration, you will be told to give some information relating to your organization, the association you are operating, the number of people you are operating, the infrastructure capital you have invested on that, and the Aadhaar number. Once you do this, you will be enrolled. And mind you, the legal service category, there will be 3 columns. One will be the NIC2. The code for legal service activity is 6969. There will be NIC4, in which the code for legal service is 6910. And there will be NIC5, where the code for the legal service activity is 69100. So, once you put in this activity codes, then you will be taken to legal activities code, and wherein you can register yourselves. Now, once you get a registration, then you will be issued a memorandum, Aadhaar memorandum by the government of India, wherein you can take the benefits of the Aadhaar scheme, of the MSME scheme, using your Udyog Aadhaar. We lawyers are self-reliant since from the day we enter our practice. We are not being given any kind of perks. The mere assistance of 5,000 rupees recently being announced by the Bar Council of Delhi or the other bar councils is just a small amount given to some lawyers. Practically, they're not giving it to every lawyers. And mind you, when we talk about micro, small and medium enterprises, we mean all lawyers, because the maximum of medium enterprise is running into cross, which actually we lawyers, some lawyers do not earn that much. So we are into small categories of small, medium and micro categories wherein we can take. Following this, once you do your registrations, I request all my learned brother and sister advocates to first register for this Udyog Aadhaar. Once you get it registered, then you will be having a memorandum, a certificate sort of thing dropping into your mail, into your registered email ID. Give your phone numbers, your valid phone numbers. Once you get this registration, then in the next video, I will be telling you about the possible benefits we can derive from this Udyog Aadhaar in the legal service category. So today the need is that just like the medical profession where advertisement and solicitation is not allowed, but they are openly doing it, nobody is stopping them. Just like any other business enterprise, just like any other service provider, when the government in this MSME Act has considered to include legal service activities, then definitely we should all take the advantage of this. And one day will come then that these kind of advantages will directly flow, financial advantages will flow to our account and thereby help us be more independent, more self-reliant in our projects and undertakings. We lawyers are in huge need of funds for our books, for laptops, for iPads, for conducting virtual court hearings, and the problem is majorly funding. From where we will get this fund? So we will have to look at the government from the correct perspective and angle wherein we can also get this financial help from the government. And once you all get registered, drop me a comment in the comment box. And after you, if you have any problem in the registration process, that is a very simple process, but you have to have Aadhaar card and all your credentials okay with you. Make sure that you fill in the proper information. Don't mislead any information, because once you enter the information, then it will be very difficult for you to get it corrected. There is no procedure of getting back to it. So fill in the proper information in this, and once you fill in the proper information, you will be registered and given a Udyog Aadhaar number, wherein definitely when major lawyers of our country will register that, definitely then we can always seek various demands from the government, especially for the lawyers. So in my next video, I'll give probably 2-3-4 days time for my lawyer friends, brother and sisters to get themselves registered with this. And after we complete this video, we will be posting next video. I will be posting that next video wherein I can tell you the benefits you can derive by getting yourself registered with the MSME and the benefits driven by the legal service providers. Hope this is a new information for you. It is a simple procedure. There will be several times server errors. When you enter your application, there might be several server errors. Continuously repeat them. Go on doing that in a span of 3 or 4 times. This will get resolved. Hope this is a new information. You might get benefit. It is the benefit for our community as a whole. We community will take advantage of what our knowledge is, what our procedures is. We will take the wheel of this act, that is the 2006 MSME Act. And as the government is open-handedly giving various benefits of loan, collateral-free securities, collateral-free loans, and repayment easy policies, we will all take advantage of this, and we will be self-independent and self-reliant more than any other profession, and we will not be at the women fancies of any organization who will take us for joyride. So I request you all to please register in this, and definitely thereafter we will be able to tell you all the benefits of. Thank you.